Hey, in this video, we'll go over the sales channel on E-Series. One of the cool things about this platform is that it's an headless e-commerce platform. It means that it's a place where you manage your products, your categories, orders, shipping, all that stuff. But you can push those products to multiple sales channels, such as the website, Instagram, TikTok, and other marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. So Ecwid provides out-of-the-box integrations to some of these sales channels, and others are available through the marketplace. So let's go over the main ones right now. So from your E-Series backend, you can click on the website. That's your main sales channel. And you'll see you can get the address of your website, and you can go over your website right there. That's your main one. You can go to then sales channel, and you can see the other options. You can sell on Instagram, you can sell on Facebook Messenger, Google Shopping, TikTok, Amazon, eBay. Let's say you want to set up Instagram, simply click on Learn More, and then click Connect. You log into your Instagram, and then you will be able to push your product on the platform and receive orders from there. The process is similar for all the out-of-the-box integration that E-Series offers. You can also go to other channels. Let's say we click on Amazon and then access the application market. This is where you'll see third-party integrations to multiple e-commerce marketplace where you can push your products from E-Series. You can go over all the different marketplace. There's tons of it. This is where you can set that up, but the main ones are out of the box.